Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix MediaFire login problems, account and verification errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are entering the correct email address or username and that caps lock is off. Next, type your password slowly and check your keyboard language to avoid wrong characters. Then, if you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and request a reset link to your email. After that, open the reset email and also check spam, junk, and promotions folders. Now, create a new strong password and avoid using extra spaces at the beginning or end. Next, try logging in from an incognito or private browser window to rule out cache problems. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies for MediaFire and restart the browser. After that, disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or VPN add-ons temporarily. Now, update your browser to the latest version to prevent compatibility errors. Next, if you are on the app, update the MediaFire app from the official store. Then, force close the app and reopen it, or restart your phone or computer. After that, switch your internet connection between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test network issues. Now, turn off VPN or proxy services because they can trigger security blocks or verification loops. Next, check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic. Then, if you see a verification email error, request the verification email again from your account page. After that, search your mailbox for MediaFire and mark their messages as not spam. Now, add MediaFire's email address or domain to your safe sender list in your email settings. Next, if the verification link says expired, request a new link and use it immediately. Then, open the verification link in the same browser where you are logged in, if possible. After that, try a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to isolate browser-specific problems. Now, if you get an account locked or too many attempts message, wait 15 to 60 minutes and try again. Next, avoid repeated rapid login attempts because it can extend the temporary lock. Then, check MediaFire's status or outage reports online to confirm if the service is down. After that, make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking MediaFire and whitelist it if needed. Now, confirm you are using the official MediaFire website and not a phishing or copycat page. Next, if two-step verification is enabled, enter the latest code and ensure your authenticator time is synced. Then, if you are not receiving codes, switch to backup codes or request a different verification method if available. After that, contact MediaFire support with your email, screenshots of the error, and the time it happened. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.